Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. My name is Uma Shankar. In this video, we are going to discuss about the solid state class 4. Solid state class 4, we are going to discuss about the rank of unit cell. Already you know that in my previous video, I had discussed about atom per unit cell. In this video I am repeat that important points and what is the 7 type of crystal lattice and Bravais lattice. Okay friends, now start this section and see this board. First of all, in before my previous video I had discussed about the one more important point and repeat that point. The point is the according to arrangement of atoms, according to arrangement of atoms, unit cell are 4 types. Okay friends, according to arrangements of atoms, unit cells are 4 types. First one is unit cell. First one is simple unit cell. Okay friends, simple unit cell. According to arrangements of atoms, unit cells are classified into 2 categories and further centered unit cell is classified into 3 categories. Total, according to arrangement of atom, unit cells are classified into 4 categories. Okay friends, so this is the unit cell and arrangement of atom arrangement, and this is the atom per simple table. I am represented to the unit cell and atom arrangement and atom per unit cell, that is called as atom per unit cell, that is called as rank of unit cell. Okay friends, this is very important friends. Rank of unit cell and arrangement of atom and rank of unit cell, that is called as atom per unit cell. Okay friends, simple unit cell arrangements of atom in simple unit cell is at corners. Okay friends, at corners simple unit cells are arrangement. Okay friends, see atoms are arrangement in simple unit cell is at corners. In simple unit cell, arrangement of atoms in at corners is 8. Okay friends, 8 atoms is present in corners. 8 atom contribution of atoms is 1/8. Okay friends, 1/8 part is contribution of the atom in unit cell. Finally, what happens friends? Rank of unit cell is 1. Okay friends, rank of unit cell is 1 in simple unit cell. Okay friends, and second one is the centered unit cell, that is called as first important one is face centered unit cell. Okay friends, face centered unit cell. Face centered unit cell atoms are arrangement is at corners and phases. Okay friends, at corners and phases. Okay friends, face centered unit cell atoms are arrangement at corners and phases. Already you know that in my previous video I had discussed this point. Okay friends, at corners is 8 corners, contribution is 1/8. Finally this is 1, and at phases is simple cubic face centered cubic unit cell is phases is 6 phases is present in there, and each phases is contribution is 1/2, and finally this is 3. Rank of unit cell is 3 plus 1 is the 4. Okay friends, rank of unit cell of face centered cubic unit cell is 4, and third one is body centered unit cell. Okay friends, body centered unit cell. Body centered unit cell is atoms are arrangement in body centered unit cell is at corners and in body. At corners in body in cubic unit cell. At corners are 8 corners, contribution is 1/8 atoms, 1/8 part is contribution. Finally this is 1, and at body is 1, this is 1. Finally rank of unit cell is 2. Okay friend, fourth one is the end centered unit cell. Fourth one is the end-centered unit cell. End-centered unit cell is the at corners, atoms are arrangements at corners and are arrangement at of any of two phases. It means any of opposite two phases. Any of opposite of two phases at corners is 8 and contribution is 8 is equal to the 1, and any of opposite two phases is 2. Contribution of the phases is of, finally this is 1. Finally rank of unit cell is 2. Okay friends, these points are discussed in my previous video. According to arrangements of atom, unit cells are classified into these 4 categories. Simple unit cell, rank of unit cell is 1, and face centered cubic unit cell, rank of unit cell is 4, and body centered unit cell is rank of unit cell is 2, and end centered unit cell, rank of unit cell is 2. These points are important in competitive exams. Now I am going to discuss about the one more important unit cell. That in unit cell is called as hexagonal unit cell. What is the rank of unit cell for the hexagonal unit cell? This is the very special unit cell. Now we are going to discuss about the rank of unit cell for hexagonal. First of all, this is clear friends, this is erase. Okay friends, now we are going to discuss about the hexagonal unit cell. Now what is the rank of hexagonal unit cell? First of all, I am represented a hexagonal unit cell. Now first of all, hexagonal unit cell representation, hexagonal unit cell representation. Friends, now we have to understand this diagram. This is the representation. Okay friends, this is the one hexagonal and this is another hexagonal. These two are added and these two are added and these two are added. Okay friends, and these 2 points are added and these 2 points are added. Okay friends, this is the representation of the hexagonal unit cell. Friends, in atoms arrangement in hexagonals, atoms are arrangement in hexagonals is at corners, atoms are arrangement at corners in hexagonal unit cell. Friends, this is the special unit cell friends, atom arrangement at corners. Friends, in hexagonal, atoms arrangement at corners is, this is the one corner. It means I am represented to the atoms in corners in hexagonal. This is the one corner. This is another corner. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 6 corners, 6 atoms is arranged, and this is another corner. This is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay friends, 12 atoms are arranged in corners in hexagonal unit cell. Okay friends, at corners atoms are arranged in, at corners is 12. And what is the contribution of these atoms? Okay friends, contribution of the atoms. Friends, now we have to consider here this atom. This atom is a spherical shape. Okay friends, atom is a spherical shape. Okay friends, atom is a spherical shape. Now this part is, okay friends, this part is contribution of this unit cell. Okay friends, now we have to consider here this atom is ball, like this ball, and this is the center. Okay friends, now this is center. This ball is 2 parts and half of the ball is like this. Okay friends, half of the ball is like this. This is the half of the ball, and this is the centered point. Okay friends, this is the centered point. In hexagonal, what happens friends, in hexagonal unit cell, now this is the angle of this hexagonal is 120 degrees. Okay friends, angle of these two edges is 120 degrees. Now I am represented to them like this. Okay friends, this is the 120 degrees. In half of the ball, okay friends, half of the atom, the this part, okay friends, half of the atom, this part is involved in the unit cell. Now this is the 120 degrees, and total degree, total around the circle is 360 degrees, and this is the 1/3 part is involved in the this unit cell. This half of the part and half of the atom, 1/3 part is involved in the this unit cell, and full total atom, what happened friends, total atom is 1/6 part is involved in the this atom. It means hexagonal unit cell at the corners is all atoms are present in the in 1/6 part is, okay friends, 1/6 part is contribution of the atoms, okay friends, 1/6 part is contribution of the atom. In 12 into 1/6 is 2, okay friends. In hexagonal unit cell atom arrangement at corners in 2, okay friends. And another atom at arrangement in body, okay friends, body, atoms arrangement at body in hexagonal unit cell is, this is the hexagonal unit cell friends. Hexagonal unit cell atoms are arrangement in body in 3 atoms, okay friends. This is very important friends. Three atoms are arranged at body, and 3 into 1 is equal to the 3, okay friends. This is the 2 plus 3, okay friends. Atoms are arrangement at body is 3, and another one is the atom are arrangement at hexagonal unit cell is phase, okay friends. Phase in hexagonal unit cell is the 2 phases. This is the one phase arrangement of atoms, this is the one phase, this is the another phase. It 2 phases, okay friend, two phases is arrangement of atom in hexagonal unit cell, and this is the body is 3 and phases is 2, and 2 phases, each phases contribution of the half, okay friends. Half part is contribution of the atom in hexagonal unit cell with respect to phases, okay friends. This is the 2 plus 3 is equal to, this is the 2 into half is the 1, finally this is the 2 plus 3 plus 1 is the 6, okay friends. Rank of hexagonal unit cell is 6. This is very important friends. In so many competitive exam asked for the question is, what is the rank of hexagonal unit cell, okay friends. Rank of hexagonal unit cell is 6, okay friends. This is the very important friends. This is the representation of the hexagonal unit cell, okay friends. This is clear friends. First of all, this is arrays, okay friends. Now I am going to discuss about the unit cell according to cell parameters, okay friends. Now before I am going to discuss about the unit cell according to atom arrangement, okay friends. Atom arrangements, unit cell is classified into 5 categories. Now I am discuss about the unit cell according to cell parameters. Now what is the cell parameters of unit cell, okay friends. Now we have to consider a unit cell. First of all, cell parameter, okay friends, cell parameter, this is very important concept friends. Now we have to consider the unit cell is like, this is unit cell, okay friends. This is unit cell. Now I am represented to this unit cell is axis. This is the one axis, this is another axis, and this is another axis, okay friends. This is the x-axis and y-axis and z-axis, okay friends. Now I am represented to this unit cell is axis friends. This axis, this z-axis, this length, okay friends. This length is a, okay friends. This length is perpendicular to these two axes. This angle is, okay friends, this angle is alpha, okay friends. This is the length of this side is a, and this a is perpendicular to these two axes. These two axis angle is alpha, and another this length is, this edge length is b, and this edge length is b and is perpendicular to these two axes angle is beta, and another one is I am represented to this length. This is the height height of this unit cell is represented to the C, and this C is perpendicular to these two axes. These two axis angle is I am represented to the like this. This is angle. This angle is gamma. Okay, friends. Now we have to consider a cell parameters of this unit cell. I am represented to the clear cut of this unit cell is like this. This is the axis. This is x axis, and this is y axis and z axis. Okay, friends. This axis, this length is A, and this axis length is B, and this axis, it means this side edge length is C. Okay, friends, ABC is the length of this unit cell, and another one is this A is perpendicular to these two axes. This angle is alpha, and this B is perpendicular to these two axes. This angle is beta, and this C is perpendicular to these two axes. This angle is gamma. Okay, friends, in this representation, alpha, beta, gamma is the axial angles of unit cell, and this A comma B comma C is the intercept. It means length of axial lengths. Okay, friends, this A comma B comma C is the axial length of unit cell. Okay, friends, this alpha, beta, gamma is the axial angles of this unit cell, and this A comma B comma C is the axial length of this unit cell. In according to cell parameters, unit cell are classified into 7 types. Okay, friends, in according to cell parameters, 7 types of unit cell are found according to cell parameters. Okay, friends, cell parameters, this is very important, friends. 7 types of unit cell are found according to cell parameters. Okay, friends, with respect to cell parameters, unit cells are 7 types. Now I am going to discuss about these 7 types of unit cell. First of all, this is clear, friends. This is arrays. Okay, friends, according to cell parameters, unit cell is 7 types. This is very important, friends. This is very important for so many competitive exams. Of the first important unit cell is cubic unit cell, and second one is, first of all, I am represented to the total 7 names. First of all is cubic, and second one is tetragonal, and third one is orthorhombic unit cell, and fourth one is monoclinic. This is the sequentially order monoclinic, and fifth one is the triclinic, and sixth one is the hexagonal, and finally seventh one is the rhombohedral. Okay, friend, rhombohedral. These are the 7 types of unit cells. Now in cell parameters is arrangement of cell parameters in these 7 crystal lattice. First one is cell parameters arrangement of the 7 crystal lattice. First one is cube. Cube is the A is equal to B is equal to C. Total 3 edges are equal in cube. And second one is the angles. Okay, friends, alpha is equal to the beta is equal to the gamma is equal to the 90 degrees in cubic unit cell. Okay, friends, in cubic unit cell, A is equal to B is equal to C, and alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees. This is the arrangement of cell parameters in cube. In second one is tetrahedral. Okay, friends, variations of these cell parameters. This is the lengths and this is the angles. In tetrahedral, same angles, but this is the variation. Now this is variation is the A is equal to the B and B not equal to C in tetragonal, and this is also equal. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees. Friends, now we have to understand this table. This is the sequentially order. First of all, you have to write the sequentially order of these 7 crystals, and the cell parameters is also automatically easily these cell parameters is arranged. Okay friends, A is equal to B is equal to C in cubic unit cell, and second one is the this C is variation. Okay friends, this A is equal to B but not equal to C, and this A alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees. This arrangement is the tetragonal. Okay friends, in orthorhombic is these 3 are not equal to A not equal to B not equal to C, but alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is 90 degrees. Okay friends, in orthorhombic A not equal to B, B not equal to C. Lengths are different but angles are is equal to the 90 degrees in orthorhombic, and monoclinic is the A not equal to B not equal to C. Okay friends, this is the same. A not equal to B not equal to C, but this is the difference. Okay friends, this is the variation. Alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees, but beta not equal to the 90 degrees. Okay friends, in monoclinic A not equal to B not equal to C, it means lengths are different, and alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees, but beta is not equal to 90 degrees in monoclinic. In triclinic is the A not equal to B not equal to C, as well as alpha not equal to beta not equal to gamma not equal to 90 degrees. Okay friends, this is the triclinic is the unsymmetrical unit cell. Okay friends, all cell parameters are unsymmetrical for the triclinic. Okay friends, this is a very important. And hexagonal is the A equal to B not equal to C. Okay friends, A equal to B not equal to C, but alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degrees and gamma is equal to the 120 degrees. Okay friends, in cell parameter arrangement of hexagonal is A is equal to B but B not equal to C. Okay friends, and alpha and beta is equal to the 90 degrees and gamma is equal to the 120 degrees in hexagonal. Finally rhomboidal is the A is equal to B is equal to C, but alpha is equal to the beta is equal to the gamma is not equal to the 90 degrees. Okay friends, these are the cell parameter arrangement of 7 unit cell: cubic and tetragonal and orthorhombic and monoclinic and triclinic and hexagonal and rhomboidal. Okay friends, these are the cell parameters arrangement. Okay friends, in according to cell parameters unit cells are 7, and according to atom arrangements unit cells are 5. Okay friends, now one more important point is arised in this case. The point is the in according to cell parameters and according to atom arrangement unit cells are classified into 14 categories. That 14 categories is also called as Bravais lattice. Okay friends, this is very important friends. In according to cell parameters and atom arrangement, experimentally unit cells are classified into 14 categories. That 14 categories is also called as, okay friends, that 14 categories is also called as Bravais lattice. Okay friends, Bravais lattice. In according to cell parameters and atom arrangement, in experimentally unit cells are classified into 14 categories. That unit cells is also called as Bravais lattice. Now these cell parameters and atom arrangement, these 7 types of unit cells is further classified into these 14 Bravais lattice. That 14 Bravais lattice is in experimentally this cubic unit cell is further divided into 3 categories. That 3 categories is, okay friends, that 3 categories is simple unit cell and body centered unit cell, and this is face centered unit cell. Okay friends, in experimentally cubic is further classified into 3 categories, and experimentally tetragonal is classified into 2 categories. That two categories is one is simple unit cell and another one is body centered unit cell. And orthorhombic is experimentally further categories into four types. Okay friends, four variation. The first variation is simple unit cell, and second one is body centered, and third one is face centered, and fourth one is end centered. Okay friends, and monoclinic is further classified into two categories. The two categories is one is simple unit cell, and second one is end centered unit cell. And triclinic is further classified into one, that is called as simple unit cell. This is called as simple triclinic unit cell. And hexagonal is further classified into, this is a special case friends. Hexagonal is a special case. It means this is the mixed unit cell. It means this mixed unit cell, it means this is the further classified into one. This is mixed. It means the atoms are arrangement in this hexagonal is centered and body and face. Okay friends, this is the one category. And rhombohedral is further classified into one. The one is simple rhombohedral. Okay friends, simple rhombohedral. Finally, what happened friends? These are the 14 types. This is 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 14. Okay friends, 14 crystal lattice is present in them with respect to the according to cell parameters and according to atom arrangement. The crystal lattice is 14 types. These 14 types is also called as Bravais lattice. Okay friends, these 14 lattice is also called as Bravais lattice. This is very important in so many competitive exams. Okay friends, this is the concept of these 7 types of crystal lattice and rank of unit cell. Okay friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.